Hello friends, so far we have discussed different types of crosses, monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross, and then we have also discussed conclusions of monohybrid cross. We have discussed law of dominance, law of unit factors, law of segregation, and we have also discussed the conclusions of dihybrid cross, law of independent assortment. And now we will discuss, there are some other types of crosses today. We will discuss those crosses such as reciprocal crosses, back crosses, and test crosses, right? Okay, let me start with reciprocal cross. Reciprocal cross. A reciprocal cross, if I will tell you, a reciprocal cross is a cross in which characters chosen are same, but sexes are reversed. Let me write down here. A reciprocal cross is a cross. A reciprocal cross is a cross in which characters chosen, the characters which we choose, characters chosen are same, but sexes are reversed. Sexes are reversed. What does that mean? Let me explain by an example. This is a tall plant, right? This is homozygous tall. We will cross it with a homozygous dwarf plant. This is dominant and this is recessive, right? This tall plant, we have considered this tall plant as male, right? And we have considered in this class this dwarf plant as female. This is the usual class. But now if we will select the characters, the same characters, we will not change the character, but we will just reverse the sex. That means in another class, we will do like this. Tall plant, we will cross it with dwarf plant, but this tall plant will be in this experiment as female and this will be as male. In experiment number 1, right? Here tall plant was male and dwarf plant was female. But in another experiment, we have selected, right, tall as female plant, right, and dwarf as male plant. This is a reciprocal cross. Okay. Now, when we perform two crosses, when we perform or conduct two crosses, right, in such a way that in experiment number 1, suppose we will label this experiment as experiment A, right? In experiment number 1, tall plant will be taken as male parent and dwarf plant will be taken as female parent, right? When we perform two crosses in such a way that in experiment number 1, let us label this experiment number 1 this A, right? Tall plant will be taken as male parent and dwarf plant will be taken as female parent, right? Then in another experiment, we will reverse the situation. Then in another experiment, we will take tall plant. Let us label that experiment as B. Experiment number B. Okay? We will take tall plant as female parent and dwarf plant as male parent. Such a set of two crosses is known as a reciprocal cross. Such type of a set of two crosses is known as reciprocal cross. What's the fun of conducting this reciprocal cross? This is only to see whether the both parents make equal contribution to the hybrid. Suppose, let me, show it like this. If this was the experiment A, here tall plant was male, right? And the dwarf plant was female. Then in another experiment B, here the tall plant was female and the dwarf plant was male. Right? Such type of set of two crosses or experiments is called as reciprocal cross. Why we conduct reciprocal cross? Only to see whether both the parents make equal contributions to the hybrid. Suppose tall plant, here it is male, right? We have crossed it with dwarf plant, right? This dwarf plant is female, right? If we just take, this will be its gamete, this will be its gamete, this will be its gamete, right? This will be its gamete. Now, if we will represent this by a Punnett square, like this, let us make a Punnett square, right? This is a Punnett square, right? Let us see. यहाँ पे आप लोग देख सकते हैं मेल हो गए ये T and T, we have here, and ये हो गए फीमेल हो गए ये T and T. Now see. All the plants are tall in this grass, right? This T, it's the gamete, it's the gamete, it's the gamete, it's the gamete. Now we have fertilized these gametes by the help of a Punnett square. These are male gametes, capital T, capital T. These are female gametes, small t, small t. Now let us fuse them. T, 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 right? T, 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 T. Okay? This is when tall plant was male. Now see. Now let us conduct another experiment or cross. This is like this. In this experiment, tall was male. Okay? Now in this experiment, we will consider tall as female and this one dwarf as male. While as in experiment number A, this dwarf was female. Here it is male. Now these will give gametes, right? This, and this. In the same way, we will make a Punnett square. Right? When we will make a Punnett square, we will see the same results. There is no effect on the result by reversing the sex. Characters are same, but we have just reversed the sexes. You see, this is male. Let us write down here male. This is female. Write down here female. Now cross TT, 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 and TT. Here all the plants, 100% plants are tall. Here also 100%. There is no difference. This is reciprocal cross. A reciprocal cross is a cross in which characters chosen are same. We have chosen the character of height in this cross also and in this cross also. But we have just reversed the sexes. We have reversed the sex. In one experiment, if tall was female, this tall plant in another experiment will be as male. Right? These crosses are conducted just to see whether both the parents contribute equally to the hybrid. This is hybrid. Okay? This is reciprocal cross. Okay? Now, let's come to the back cross. Okay? Back cross. Back cross. Back cross. These back cross, test cross, reciprocal cross, these crosses usually come into exam from board examination point of view. These are very, important. आप इनको ध्यान से जरा सुनिए. Back cross. A genetic cross, if I will tell you, a genetic cross between a hybrid organism and the parental types of plants. A genetic cross between a hybrid organism and the parental types of plants. Those parents from which this hybrid was formed is known as back cross. This is known as back cross. Right? Let me make it more simple. Back cross is a cross. Back cross is a cross between F1 hybrid and both of its parents. Or I will say, back cross is a cross between F1 hybrid and either of its parents. Between F1 hybrid and either of its parents. Right? Such as this was a tall plant. Okay? We have crossed it with a tall plant. Right? Okay? Now in F1 generation, we had this plant. This is hybrid tall. Isn't it? Hybrid tall. Now if we will cross this hybrid, F1 hybrid, this is F1 generation and these plants are known as F1 hybrids. Only reason is that these are called as hybrids because they are heterozygous. This is tall, but this is heterozygous tall, hybrid tall. This is tall, but this is homozygous tall, right? Now, if this hybrid plant is crossed with either of its parents, या तो इसके साथ डोमिनेंट टॉल के साथ अगर इसको क्रॉस किया जाए, या अगर इसको रिसेसिव डॉर्फ के साथ क्रॉस किया जाए, दिस इज नोन एज बैक क्रॉस. हम इसको बैक क्रॉस करते हैं. Either of its parents, either of its parents, या तो टॉल प्लांट के साथ या डॉर्फ प्लांट के साथ, right? So this is back cross. Back cross is a cross between F1 hybrid. This is F1 hybrid and either of its parents. इसके साथ या इसके साथ या इसके साथ. In both conditions, this will be called as back cross. Okay. Now let me tell you there are possibilities, two possibilities. Now there are two possibilities in a back cross. Number one possibility. In first possibility, you see, in first possibility, F1 hybrid, right? That is, let me write down here TT, okay? Will be crossed with dominant homozygous parent. That dominant homozygous parent is this tall TT. In first possibility, F1 hybrid, that is T and T, will be crossed with dominant homozygous parent. This is TT. When when F1 hybrid is crossed with dominant homozygous parent, that means tall one, not recessive one, this cross is known as outcross. This cross is known as outcross. जब F1 हाइब्रिड को डोमिनेंट पैरेंट के साथ बैक क्रॉस किया जाए, ठीक है ना, ऐसे बैक क्रॉस को आउट क्रॉस कहते हैं। जैसे हमारे पास था पहले टी टी, ये टॉल प्लांट था, हमने इसको किसके साथ क्रॉस किया? डॉर प्लांट के साथ। F1 हाइब्रिड क्या निकला? कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी। अब अगर हम इस हाइब्रिड प्लांट को डबल डोमिनेंट होमोजाइगस टॉल प्लांट के साथ क्रॉस करेंगे, हमने इस प्लांट को, हाइब्रिड प्लांट को डबल होमोजाइगस टॉल प्लांट के साथ क्रॉस किया, दिस क्रॉस इज नोन एज आउट क्रॉस। दिस क्रॉस इज नोन एज आउट क्रॉस। लेट अस सी द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस क्रॉस। नाउ वी हैव दिस कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी, इसको हमने क्रॉस किया है कैपिटल टी कैपिटल टी, ये कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी, ये क्या है? दिस इज हाइब्रिड, दिस इज हाइब्रिड, F1 hybrid. It was formed during F1 hybrid, F1 generation. And this plant is, this is tall but pure tall. This is pure tall. This is pure tall. And this is hybrid tall. Now let us see. This will make the gametes. Okay? This will be like this, capital T, small t, right? And this will be gametes, capital T, and again it will have capital T. Now we will make a Punnett square. आपको पता ही है, we will make a Punnett square like this. This is a Punnett square. Okay? 1 and 2. Right? This is the Punnett square. यहाँ पे. Okay. Let us make these are male gametes. Come to this one. This is male gamete. Okay. Come to this one. These are female gametes. Okay. 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 Now let us go for this. TT, right, and TT. Now TT and TT. Okay. In this outcross, when F1 hybrid was crossed with tall parent, double dominant homozygous tall parent, right? The result was that all the plants were 100% plants were tall. However, there was these 1 and 2, these were homozygous tall, and these capital T, small t, these were heterozygous tall. Heterozygous tall. Right? This is one possibility. Outcross. When F1 hybrid is crossed with double dominant tall parent, homozygous. This is known as outcross. And when this, now let us discuss another possibility. This was the first possibility. What was first possibility? F1 hybrid को जब हमने इस parent, tall parent के साथ cross किया, right? Now let us look for another, possibility. Possibility number 2. When F1 hybrid is crossed with recessive parent, recessive. This is recessive parent. This is homozygous but dwarf. Homozygous dwarf parent. Now let us see. नेक्स्ट पॉसिबिलिटी में अब ये F1 हाइब्रिड है, अगर इस F1 हाइब्रिड को क्रॉस किया जाएगा, लेकिन किस पैरेंट के साथ? रिसेसिव डॉर्फ पैरेंट के साथ, राइट? ऐसे लेट अस सी व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट. दिस विल बी द गैमेट, दिस विल बी द गैमेट, राइट? फॉर दिस प्लांट दिस विल बी द गैमेट, राइट? दिस विल बी द गैमेट. ओके, लेट्स मेक अ Punnett square. Let's make the Punnett square, right? 1, 2, 3. See. Here, male gametes. Let's consider these male. Female gametes. Let's consider this capital T and small t as female. Let us go for the fertilization. Here the result. Here 50% are tall, 50% are tall, and 50% are dwarf. 50% are dwarf. And this cross is known as test cross. So, test cross is basically a bad cross. ठीक है ना? I may say that all test crosses are back crosses, but all back crosses are not test crosses. Let me write it down here. All test crosses are back crosses. Okay, and all test crosses are back crosses, right? But all back crosses are not test crosses. This back cross with this tall plant is not a back cross. So I may say all test crosses, all test crosses are back crosses, but all back crosses are not test crosses. Say, you might have heard all enzymes are proteins, but all proteins are not enzymes, right? Same is the case with this. All test crosses are back crosses, whereas all back crosses are not test crosses. And this second possibility of a back cross, right? This is known as test cross, right? Now, what is the use of back cross? Back crosses are used by plant breeders and animal breeders just to purify, just to make the desired stock homozygous बनाने के लिए ये बैक क्रॉस किया जाता है. What do you mean by homozygous? Pure line. देखिए पहले जब हमने बैक क्रॉस किया था, आउट क्रॉस किया था ना, उसमें हमारे पास 100% टॉल प्लांट्स थे, बट ऑल देम वर नॉट प्योर, दे वर हाइब्रिड टॉल्स. अब हम बैक क्रॉस यानी कि टेस्ट क्रॉस, ये जो बैक क्रॉस होता है ये करते हैं ओनली टू मेक द डिजायर्ड स्टॉक. हमारे पास जो स्टॉक ऑफ प्लांट्स होता है, मेक इट होमोजाइगस जस्ट टू प्यूरिफाई इट, राइट? And another use of this back cross is, another use of this back cross is that suppose you want to, this is a hybrid, right? Hybrid, right? F1 hybrid. You want to cross it with a wild plant, right? Which is genetically similar to this hybrid, right? Why? Because this wild plant has certain characters, such as it has a character disease resistance. We want that this disease resistance should also be incorporated in the progeny. A disease resistance बाकी इस क्रॉस के वजह से जितने भी प्लांट्स बन जाए उनमें ये पहुंच जाए, ये डिजीज रेजिस्टेंस. हालांकि इस हाइब्रिड के पास हाई यील्ड का कैरेक्टर है और भी कैरेक्टर्स है, राइट? लेकिन डिजीज रेजिस्टेंस का कैरेक्टर ये वाइल्ड प्लांट से हासिल करना चाहता है. लिहाजा हम लोग एक हाइब्रिड प्लांट को वाइल्ड प्लांट के साथ, ठीक है, क्रॉस करना चाहते हैं. दिस हाइब्रिड इज ए क्रॉप प्लांट, राइट? अब हम इसी हाइब्रिड के वाइल्ड रिलेटिव के साथ या वाइल्ड प्लांट के साथ, ठीक है ना, क्रॉस करना चाहते हैं. इस प्रोसेस के दौरान में क्या होता है, ये जो हाइब्रिड के अपने कैरेक्टर्स थे, गुड कैरेक्टर्स, ये डाइल्यूट हो जाते हैं. आप समझ रहे हैं ना, ये डाइल्यूट हो जाते हैं, कम हो जाते हैं. गुड कैरेक्टर्स वहां की जाने भी जा सकते हैं. तो लिहाजा वो सारे अच्छे कैरेक्टर्स, ठीक है ना, वो सारे अच्छे कैरेक्टर्स, गुड कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ दिस हाइब्रिड दोबारा पॉपुलेशन में हासिल करने के लिए हम लोग इस हाइब्रिड को रिपीटेडली क्रॉस करते हैं with its parents, so that those good characters will reappear in the new hybrids. It is the use of backcast. मैं एक बार फिर आपको बता दूं, हमारे पास एक हाइब्रिड है, इसमें 2-3 अच्छे डिजाइन कैरेक्टर्स हैं. अब एक वाइल्ड प्लांट है जिससे ये डिजीज रेजिस्टेंस का कैरेक्टर हासिल करना चाहता है. हम इस हाइब्रिड प्लांट को वाइल्ड प्लांट के साथ क्रॉस करते हैं, राइट. जब हमने इसको वाइल्ड प्लांट के साथ क्रॉस किया है ताकि हम इस वाइल्ड प्लांट से डिजीज रेजिस्टेंस का कैरेक्टर हासिल कर ले, इस दौरान में ये जो हाइब्रिड है इसके अच्छे कैरेक्टर्स गुम हो जाते हैं. लिहाजा ये अच्छे कैरेक्टर्स डाइल्यूट हो जाते हैं, राइट. ये अच्छे कैरेक्टर्स वापस हासिल करने के लिए हम इस हाइब्रिड को रिपीटेडली बैक क्रॉस करते हैं पेरेंट्स के साथ, ताकि ये जो कैरेक्टर्स इस जो डाइल्यूट हो गए थे इसके अपने हाइब्रिड कैरेक्टर्स ये रीअपियर हो जाए इन द न्यू हाइब्रिड्स. दिस इज द यूज ऑफ बैक क्रॉस. दैट्स ऑल टुडे. इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर वी विल डिस्कस back test cross in detail. Thank you.